Awesome, guys. Well, it's yours. It's called You, baby.
You make me come. You make me complete. You make me completely miserable. Stuck to a chair, watching this story about me. Everything goes by so fast, making my head spin. Used up all of my plans, but who needs them when you mean everything? I love the things that we should be, and I'm not afraid of being here. There's so much to say, it makes me helpless alone. Yeah, yeah, you make me go. Yeah, yeah, you make me complete. Yeah, yeah, you make me completely miserable. So much to share. Why should I care if you need me? Used up all of my friends, but who needs them when you mean everything? I love the things that we should be, and I'm not afraid of being here. There's so much to say, it makes me helpless alone. Yeah, yeah, you make me come. Yeah, yeah, you make me come. Yeah, yeah, you make me miserable. I love the things that we should be, and I'm not afraid of being here. There's so much to say, it makes me helpless alone. Yeah, yeah, you make me come. Yeah, yeah, you make me complete. Yeah, yeah, you make me come. Yeah, yeah, you make me complete. Yeah, yeah, you make me completely miserable. I don't need to be anything other than a prison guard's son. I don't wanna be anything other than a specialist's son. I don't have to be anything other than the birth of two souls in one. Part of where I'm going is knowing where I'm coming from. I don't wanna be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I wanna do is think surrounded by imposters. Everywhere I turn, I'm surrounded by identity crisis. Everywhere I turn, am I the only one who noticed? I can't be the only one concerned. And I don't want to be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I want to do is think of me and all that peace of mind. I'm tired of looking around, who's wondering what I gotta do, who I'm supposed to be. I don't want to be anything other than me. Oh, can I have everyone's attention, please? If you're not like this or that, you're gonna have to leave. I came from the mountain, the crust of creation. My whole situation made from pain or stone, and now I'm telling everybody I don't wanna be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I wanna do is think of me and all that peace of mind. I'm tired of looking around, who's wondering what I gotta do, who I'm supposed to be. I don't wanna be anything other than me. I don't wanna be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I wanna do is think of me and all that peace of mind. I'm tired of looking around, who's wondering what I gotta do, who I'm supposed to be. I don't wanna be anything other than me. I don't wanna be, oh baby, I don't wanna be, no, I don't wanna be, no, I don't wanna be anything other than me.
Very, very nice, guys. You're truly rocking it. I know that guitar player over there is headbanging. Noe. I wasn't expecting that from you, sir. No, dude, it's perfect.
Spine
He's
don't
an
work
animal.
if my spine don't jerk.
It's perfect, man. That's
He is he's the band
That
choreographer.
sounds nasty.
the nastier the better, baby.
I have church in the morning. I can't be hearing these types of things.
Is this place lightning proof?
I hope not.
When you were here before, I couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. It's so very special. I wish I was special, but I must leave. I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. I'm so but I'm a creep. I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I'm a creep. I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong. Oh, oh, oh. She's running out the door. She's running. She's running. Whatever makes you happy, whatever you want, is so fucking special. I wish I was special, but I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong. Oh, oh,
Awesome, guys. Y'all are getting a lot of comments, guys.
Are they remarking upon my incredible
Billy Smith,
beauty?
yes, they are. Somebody. When you went for that note, bro, they were like, wow.
I just need them to tell me how pretty I am.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be all about his great looks.
Billy
That's what you mean.
Billy Smith wants you to tell Roger Harper, let's see those silky fingers, baby. Let's see the silky fingers. He's watching you, baby. Jamie Smith wants you to play Toxicity. But keep it going, guys. That's super, super, super awesome. Are you coming out for the guitar, bro?
He's coming out of the booth.
He's coming out of the booth.
The booth.
All right, so he's getting ready. He's getting ready. Look at him. Look at him. He's getting ready.
You guys are so much fun. Twerk something. I'm waiting for the twerk team to get here. My background dancers, I left them outside in the parking lot, and they told me to let them know when they were ready because they wanted to come in exactly when we started the Lizzo song.
Oh, was that Dirty Mike and the boys out there?
Dirty Mike and the boy.
Yeah, that's all of them. All them big booty hoes from Louisiana. They just got off their flight from the French Quarter.
Oh, Lord.
All right. I hope you hate this song.
Time to go to church.
My lover's got humor. She's the giggle at a funeral. Knows everybody's disapproval. Should've worshipped her so much sooner. If the heavens ever did speak, she's the last true mouthpiece. Every Sunday is getting more bleak. Fresh poison each week. I was born sick, you heard them say it. My church offers no absolutes. Tells me worship in the bedroom. The only heaven I'll be sent to is when I'm alone with you. I was born sick, but I love it. Command me to be well. Amen. 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 Take me to church. I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me my deathless head, the good God, let me give you my life. Take me to church. I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins, you can sharpen your knife. Offer me my deathless head, good God, let me give you my life. If I'm a pagan of the good times, my love is the sunshine to keep the goddess on my side. She demands a sacrifice. Drain the whole sea, get something shiny, something meaty for the main course. That's a fine looking hot horse that you got in the stable. Cause we've a lot of starving faithful. That looks tasty, that looks plenty. This is hungry work. Take me to church. I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me my deathless death, good God, let me give you my life. Take me to church. I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me my deathless death, good God, let me give you my life. No masters are kings when the ritual begins. There is no sweeter innocence than our gentle sins. In the sadness and soil of that sad early scene, only then I am human, only then I am me. Like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins, you can sharpen your knife. Offer me my deathless death, good God, let me give you my life. Take me to church. I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death, good God, let me give you my life. Tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me my deathless death, good God, let me give you my life. Yay, kids, spelling is fun.
That was really good, bro. You have an amazing voice, man. You have an amazing voice.
Merci beaucoup.
Ooh, it's so beautiful.
You have truly an amazing voice, man. Y'all got anything else for us, man? Anything else you want to throw down? I know I'm putting you on the spot.
Yeah, we got one more I think we're going to throw out there,
I know
man.
y'all ready.
Awesome.
I know y'all ready. For some
What y'all gonna do, man? Somebody-
We need to put a little metal in this, man. Take a soft mess out.
oh, is it-
Somebody
he's going,
requested "Faithfully" by Journey.
I still want to do Panic.
Yeah, dude, y'all keep it going, man.
He's
Play
on
as long
key.
as you want. It's awesome. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. You gonna do something on the guitar there? Sexy MF.
I'm just playing notes while Noe figures out his life.
A little bit of panic.
Am I going back in there?
Yeah, you can go back in there, man.
Warning or Panic?
Warning or panic?
Are you gonna play the guitar or no?
No, he keeps switching guitars over here.
No.
You're playing the guitar for this song or no?
I don't know. It depends on what we're doing. We're doing warning.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we're doing warning.
We got a little guitar action.
Guitar. action.
Awesome. All right, guys, keep it going, man. People.
Bet your eyes, girl, beyond the worldly. Count your blessings, seduce a stranger. What's so wrong with
That was very tasty, guys. Very, very, very tasty. Not gonna lie, guys.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for joining us in the studio, guys.
It's a lovely studio.
Thanks, man. All right, so tell our people where we can find you on social media again, sir.
You can find us on Facebook and Instagram at SoundCastle Jams on Facebook and SoundCastle HTX on Instagram. And that might be the first time I've ever said that correctly.
I just had to show them laughing. Sorry, guys.
Because they know it's true.
That's funny, guys. Well, thank you for everyone watching, guys. If you're watching on Facebook, go to the YouTube, subscribe. We're going to be having a series, a live concert series here at R&R Studios. Make sure to spread the word, subscribe, and give us a like. Make sure you check out SoundCastle. Make sure there you go. Make sure these guys with those beautiful glasses gets seen right there in that guitar. Baby. Make sure that this is R&R Studios, guys. We love all of y'all. Thank you for this great night. This was SoundCastle, guys. Thank y'all very much, and have a great night.
Au revoir, mes amis.